Ready for some high energy fun? This is an effective standing core, no floor stack. No mats needed. I'm staying in the zone with you today. Let's find that beat.
Now we're gonna double it. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, great job. No floor core, the standing stack. This is our first move. We'll do probably about 12 of these. This is 10 minutes of stacking core moves that are gonna fire up these abs. And we wanna twist like this with this first move. It helps to twist so you can feel it in here. Woo! I feel it. I heard my stomach going. Next move. Y'all are doing great. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it burning. I can feel it in my legs also. All right. Woo. Y'all feeling it? Okay, and now to the center, and we're gonna go this way. Twist. And left leg. Woo! And now, arms down to our sides. We even hold our buns down here. Up with our knees. Okay, good job. And go. 1, 2. Oh yes. I can feel this in my legs and my obliques. And my abs. Ow. And now, we are going to twist. I'll do stand here, and now let's go this way. Kind of like a robot. Woo! Kind of reminds me of totally 80s. Get back. Oh, good job. Okay. And we're just twisting and twisting. And ready? We're going to do our arms like this. Other side. Good job. You feel it in your sides down here? Okay, in middle. Just twisting it out. Oh yeah. I guess I can move up a little. How are you feeling? I'm sweaty. Okay, and we're gonna hold them up like this and go. How about we go like this? And let's do singles. Let's start with the right leg. And last one. And step center. Now we're going to go this way. Woo! Great job. And ready. And like 1, 2, twist, twist. 1, 2, twist, twist. Great job, y'all. We're going to cool down. As we cool down, let's just step in place and reach our arms out. We can roll them forward, back, forward, and back, and twist, 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 twist. Y'all have done a great job. So proud of you. And you can keep walking with me. Please keep walking with me in one of these workouts They're coming up right here. Great job with the abs.